Hello guys, so today this is a tutorial how to do the Looking Glass version 1.5. So I already did this, so you click this one, and when you first click this one, it can give you an error, and it can give you an error because I don't really know much about Looking Glass version 1.5, but it really doesn't really affect your running Looking Glass version 1.5 experience. So you click this one, and the first time it may show like a restart button to restart the paper here, or whatever it's called, the coding here. And when you restart, you have to click this. You have to click this one again, click this one, and click this one again, and it won't show the thing no more. You click this one, which it's like it has a Malevich, which I really don't know what Malevich is. That uses Russian language or something, text plus image. This is where you can save your images onto your Google Drive, and you don't really need to change anything here, or it's up to you if you can change it. The deep L interrogation, where it's some sort of weird auto translator which generally produces better results of the variation of the AI generated image. But also you don't need to put anything here. This is where you put our file here. You click on pics, you click on new folder, and then you put in the name of the folder. And then you put your images here that will do the variations. So I put the folder here. If you put the symbol here, right here, the star right here, it can generate variations at the same time, all of the images you put there. The epoch underscore amp is like it's like an adjuster, to adjust the images. If you want to turn down if the images are too similar to the related to the original image, or turn up if they're too different, like it didn't really get it right or something. Yeah, you could. And when you first click on the run button, it will show you the input files. These are the files I put. Yeah, you click one of these. Okay, this is where you copy your image, to put in the width or the height of the image. It could be long, small, or anything. And also it takes the algorithm from Russian DALL-E. What the most important thing is I really don't know what this is. It's it does something with your AI generate images, which it should happen, I think. And it's some sort of chart here with a bunch of scribbles here that does that, the algorithm. Right here, I recommend you need to change this right here, this part. But right here on the prompt underscore text, you could put the prompt here, but you have to translate the English letters to Russian on Google Translate. I recommend you to put the images at 1, 4, or 9. Because if you put at 25, it will be long. The upscaling, which makes your images very clear, I recommend you to put at 4 or 2. Yeah, 4 and 2. So I put 4 and 2. Your images will emerge here, like it can spit out the images. And this is like the Beck Sea Change album cover, and it's very recognizable. Here is like the image of it, the original image, and I put it through to Looking Glass, and it's like I have a theory about Looking Glass version 1.5. It's like you're seeing these alternative album covers from a parallel universe, or from another dimension. Like, that's really cool, but also scary. And this is where you like save the folder here. Yeah, this is where you save the folder. You need to really restart each time when you generate an image. You could just click this button all over and over and over again, and it will generate more images for you. So, bye guys. So that was it. Hope you like this tutorial. The link to the page is down below in the description. So, bye.